Hello learners, it's great to see you again. Today, we will learn about complementary and supplementary angles. Before we begin, can you recall what this angle is? And can you recall what the angle on a straight line is? Pause and discuss with your friends. This angle is a right angle, it is 90 degrees. The angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. Complementary angles are angles that add up to 90 degrees. Let us look at the two angles shown. If angle ABD is 60 degrees, what is angle DBC? Angle ABD and angle DBC are complementary angles that add up to 90 degrees. So, since angle ABD is 60 degrees, angle DBC is 90 degrees minus 60 degrees equals 30 degrees. Let us look at another pair of complementary angles. If angle SQR is 38 degrees, what is angle PQS? Pause and discuss with your friends. Angle PQS and angle SQR are complementary angles that add up to 90 degrees. So, since angle SQR is 38 degrees, angle PQS is 90 degrees minus 38 degrees equals 52 degrees. Did you get that right? While complementary angles are angles that add up to 90 degrees, supplementary angles are angles that add up to 180 degrees. Let us look at the two angles shown. If angle ABD is 130 degrees, what is angle DBC? Since angle ABD and angle DBC are complementary angles that lie on a straight line, they add up to 180 degrees. So, angle DBC is 180 degrees minus 130 degrees equals 50 degrees. Now, let us look at the three angles shown. If angle VWY is 65 degrees and angle XWZ is 43 degrees, what is angle YWZ? Pause and discuss with your friends. Since these three angles are supplementary angles that lie on a straight line, they also add up to 180 degrees. So, angle YWZ is 180 degrees minus 65 degrees minus 43 degrees equals 72 degrees. Did you get that right? In summary, complementary angles are angles that add up to 90 degrees, and supplementary angles are angles that add up to 180 degrees. Today we have learned about complementary and supplementary angles. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again. Great job on completing this video.